Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. In this video, we explore beautiful and creative wooden wall-mounted lighting ideas to enhance the warmth and charm of your home. From rustic reclaimed wood sconces to modern minimalist designs, discover how to elevate your decor with these easy-to-make or stylish fixtures. Perfect for indoor and outdoor spaces, these lighting ideas add a cozy and artistic touch to any wall. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring craft and decor tips. Let's light up your space with natural beauty and creativity. Let's start by exploring the timeless appeal of wooden wall-mounted lights. Natural wood textures bring a touch of nature indoors, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. These fixtures are versatile and can complement various decor styles, from farmhouse and rustic to Scandinavian and contemporary. One popular idea is to use reclaimed wood for a rustic, eco-friendly vibe. Imagine a wall-mounted sconce made from weathered wood with an Edison bulb for that vintage look. It's simple yet impactful, adding character to any space. Next, consider minimalist designs with sleek, smooth wooden panels paired with modern LED fixtures. These are perfect for a clean, contemporary aesthetic. You can opt for horizontal or vertical mounts, depending on your wall space. For a more artistic touch, try creating custom wooden light panels with intricate cut-out patterns. When illuminated, these patterns cast beautiful shadows, transforming your wall into an art piece. This DIY project not only enhances your decor but also gives you a sense of pride in crafting something unique. Another creative idea is to combine wood with metal accents. For example, a wooden base with industrial-style metal fixtures can add an edgy yet warm vibe to your space. These are excellent for home offices or entryways, providing both illumination and style. If you're into outdoor decor, weather-resistant wooden wall lights with waterproof features can beautifully illuminate your patio or garden wall, creating a magical ambience during evenings. Display outdoor and indoor setups. When choosing your wooden wall-mounted lighting, keep in mind the type of bulb and lighting effect you want. Edison bulbs give a warm, nostalgic glow, perfect for cozy corners. LED strips or panels can offer brighter, energy-efficient lighting suitable for task areas. Mounting options vary from simple brackets to more elaborate arm designs that extend the light source outward, giving more flexibility in lighting angles. Always ensure your fixtures are securely mounted, especially for outdoor use. Now, let's talk about DIY tips. If you love crafting, you can easily create your own wooden wall lights using reclaimed wood planks, basic electrical components, and some creativity. Sand and polish the wood for a smooth finish, drill holes for wiring, and assemble your fixture with care. Remember, safety first. Always switch off power when working with electrical parts. And if you're unsure, consult a professional. This personalized touch will make your home decor truly one of a kind. Lastly, maintaining your wooden wall-mounted lighting is simple. Regular dusting and occasional polishing with wood-safe products keep your fixtures looking fresh. For outdoor fixtures, sealant sprays can protect against weather damage. With proper care, your wooden lights will shine beautifully for years to come, adding charm and warmth to your home. Thank you for tuning into Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I hope these wooden wall-mounted lighting ideas inspire your next home makeover project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative decor tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your own lighting projects in the comments below. I love seeing your creativity shine. Until next time, keep crafting and decorating with love.